What's up, guys? Here with my Dead Meadow shirt on at work, rocking out to some Siamese Dream this morning, and I've been in produce for a couple years now, and I want to talk about something that really annoys me. Cauliflower, right? So take a look at this. We look at this this beauticious head of cauliflower here. Absolutely beautiful. Hundreds of years of human selection in order to cultivate wild cabbage into this dense head of flowers, which is what this is. And people, won't buy cauliflower if it's got a few blemishes on it. The thing is, cauliflower is a really difficult plant to grow and to keep at that solid snow white appearance. It's not easy, and it's gonna blemish. It's gonna happen. And but if it's not pure snow white, then people refuse to pay full price for it. The reason why it's so annoying, though, is, let's see if I can make this work. These blemishes are only skin deep. So take my little produce knife here, and we just shave some off. Wow. Snow white underneath. Nothing wrong with it at all. When you look at blemishes on cauliflower, we're talking about probably less than 0.001% of the cauliflower head that's blemished. And then people want 50% off on their cauliflower. So if you're one of these assholes, fuck you. Seriously. This is a wonder of human agriculture. It's not easy to grow, and you should be appreciative of the access that you have. And the people who spend a lot of their lives, growing food for you. And ultimately, I like to clean these up, put them out on the floor in my very small produce department that I run. And people can just deal with it. So this is a PSA from produce managers and farmers everywhere to consumers. Deal with it.